All right, thank you both. Formula One races into town next week, but they aren't the only ones moving with lightning speed. Here to teach us how to organize in a snap is organizing strategist Brenda Prinzavali. Thanks so much for being here.
My pleasure.
I like this, organizing with speed. That's what we want to hear.
Yeah, and there are a lot of things that you can do yourself to help you work through that with speed.
Okay,
So,
like
yeah.
what?
Well, the very first thing we have to think about is that these racers, when they're going around the track, they have a strong G-force on them. So the organizing G-force is the get rid of it force.
Oh, I like that. We were just talking about this.
Right, and so you have to also be in the mental state of being ready to get rid of. If you're in a resourceful mood where it's like, well, I can make use of that, or,
yeah.
well, I might need that, that's not a good time to get rid of it.
No.
So you have to be in like, what is my pain point?
Yes.
I don't like this. This is too crowded. It's in my way. And so you have to kind of get yourself ready to have your own G-force.
I love when that mood takes over me, and my husband is very afraid when it bites me.
But it works.
It really does.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm unstoppable when that hits. Okay, so then what do we do?
So you have a G-force. Well, then the next thing is we know that these racers have to make split decisions. And so you, when you're organizing, also have to make some split decisions. And one of the things that stops most people from progressing through an organizing project is they can't decide.
Yes.
Do I need it? Don't I need it? And so one of the great things to do before you even start is to make a list.
Okay.
Why would I toss it? Why would I donate it? And why would I keep it?
Right.
And if you're going to toss it, it might be that it's broken and somebody else wouldn't want it. If you're going to donate it, it's still pretty good. You're just not using it anymore. Keep is, I'm using it all the time. So the nice part about that is then you pick up every item and you just compare it to your list.
Okay.
Is it a red light? Is it a yellow light? Or is it a green light?
I like that.
So then it takes away that decision-making pressure for every item and the emotional attachment to it. Well, I got that, and so you go through all this story as opposed to, before you even do it, you have some hard categories that you can stick to.
Yes. Some of the hardest things when it comes to that is gifts.
Oh, yes.
Oh, don't even get me started. That'll have to be a whole other segment.
Maybe after Christmas.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, what else do we need to know?
Well, the next thing is that the Formula One race goes for 3 days. And they go in gradual periods of time. So on Friday, they have two 60-minute, warm-up times and practice times. On Saturday, they have 3 qualifying rounds, and then Sunday is the big race, right? So do the same for yourself. Don't expect yourself to be doing this for 3 days solid straight. You'll get burned out, you'll stop part way. So start on Friday, and maybe again, like what they're doing with the Formula One, is take 2 one-hour segments of time.
Okay.
And actually then address whether it's 2 different areas, make your list, make your plan, but just kind of gradually get yourself going into it. And then on Saturday, the same thing. You have 3 sessions, so do a big session, take a break. Do another session, take a break.
Okay.
So it allows you to do a better job of not burning yourself out before you're actually done.
Okay.
And then Sunday, Sunday is the big race. So Sunday is the time to purge, take things to donate, get them out, throw them away, get it ready in trash. And or then now you have your spaces that you have just the things that you need.
Yes.
And so now you can actually maybe take a look and say, do I need a new structure? Do I need a new bin? Do I need to label things?
Okay.
What are the things I need to do to really, get that good checkered flag?
Sure. Awesome, Brenda. Thank you so much. And don't forget to recruit your family as your pit crew. You can find Brenda here on social media, and we'll be right back.